welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm busy prepping for my very first solo bikepacking trip. And due to COVID restrictions, I'm pretty much confined to my own country. So I thought it would be fun to just cycle along the borders of the Netherlands, and so I did. And this video is actually the first leg of that journey, which is taking me from my hometown Groningen over the beautiful province Friesland and over the Afsluitdijk to a very small village in North Holland called Hippolytushoef. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
So, and we are off. Finally. Bloody hell.
So as you can see, I'm actually traveling with one of my oldest friends today, Jan, who's going to join me for the first 50 kilometers of the trip, which is pretty cool. As a good start, and this is actually Ascension Day in the Netherlands, and it was one of the very few good days in the year so far. The weather's been absolutely abysmal, but today was an absolute outstanding day. A bit chilly, but sunny, so yeah, spirits very high. And well, we're off, so that's very good. So after this rather nice intermezzo on the water, I set out to Sneek, a lovely city in Friesland, and had a very good look at the beautiful Waterpoort, which you can see in a second or so. And I believe it dates back from the 15th century already, so it's rather old and rather pretty. So I'm now cycling on the Afsluitdijk, which is a rather famous dam and causeway separating what once was known as the Zuiderzee and North Sea, and I think it was constructed somewhere around the 1930s. It's rather brilliant piece of engineering. We're pretty good, well, not I, but some people in the Netherlands are pretty good at waterworks, and this is certainly a prime example of that. I had a rather nice tailwind, so that's why I could pick up some speed. Here you'll see me getting on a bus as there were some heavy reconstruction works being done, so you can't cycle along the dike for the moment. And that's a pity, but then again, a bus ride after, what was it, 120 kilometers wasn't so bad either.
So here we are at the Afsluitdijk. Finally made it. Bit windy, but dry and sunny, so